Hello guys, this is part 2 of parkour. Here we go. DJ is back with us.
Yeah.
Oh look, the moment I start moving, the glitch is gone.
Hello. Come on, ba. There you go. There you go, ba.
Yeah, I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Jump.
I'm going
Jump.
up.
No!
I'm
No!
going up, I don't know.
No!
I'm going up. I'm going up.
No!
Where are you?
I fell down. Where are you? You're almost on the top stage. You're almost on the top stage.
I am on the top stage. I am on the top stage.
You are? Wait, Terrain also is in there. Terrain's in the game.
Does Terrain have Discord?
I don't know. Anyways, even if we can't hear his voice, he's part of the YouTube video, even though I can't even see him too. He's on stage 29. He's on stage 29. Poor Terrain.
Do you have a YouTube, Discord? We are recording for Adriano's.
Oh my god, I see Terrain. I see Terrain. Poor Terrain. I see Terrain at the massive blue building. I mean, yellow building. Ah! Ah!
Don't get this. Oh, wait, what? I don't get this. Oh, okay, now I get it. I wait for you. See?
Finally, I actually caught up with you.
I was waiting for you.
DJ, you almost
Are
pushed.
sure?
You almost pushed me off.
You sure about that? I'm kind of beating you right now.
I know, DJ. Okay, how about we do this? When someone's one stage behind, we have to wait for them. Deal?
Boring.
What do you mean
That's
boring?
boring.
What do you mean?
So boring. I want to do a race. I want to beat you know.
This is parkour. This is parkour,
Yeah.
not a race. This is parkour, not a race. No, we're not doing that.
Well, I want to play 2 billion.
Ah!
So this is kind of easy.
Okay, yeah, seriously, this is much easier.
YouTube, for you,
What?
Adriano. I'm just reading Terrain stuff.
What do you mean you're reading Terrain stuff?
Chat.
Wait, yo, type to him. Tell him. Tell him like, are you on the stage 40, 50? Say that.
I am a parkour master. No one can actually defeat me. Wow. Except the people who play more than me.
Yeah. Duh. Someone's on stage 248.
Good.
When I joined this game on snack break, someone was at stage 300.
Huh?
When I joined this game at snack break, someone was at 348.
Not even possible. Oh wait.
There's 450 stages in this game, dude.
Oh, I thought it was like 200 something.
Look up. Look in front of you. Do you see all that? Do you see all that?
Sure.
That's a lot of parkour.
That's kind of easy.
No, I mean look up there. Dude, look on your right. Look up and on
That's
your
a
right.
lot of parkour. That's a lot of parkour.
There's
I can beat it in 1 second.
No, you can't. If you had a
I'm Technoblade.
If you had a bajillion Robux, yeah. If you had a bajillion.
I'm Technoblade.
Okay, let's leave the channel for. My pants are gone. My pants are gone. My pants
are gone. Censor that. Don't see it if you're like 5 years old. Don't see this.
Yeah,
Don't
look
see
at
it. Don't see it. This pant is off. Don't see this.
Look at my presentation.
Good. Don't watch this. Okay? This is what's on the wheel.
Oh my god.
Don't watch it.
What happened?
Don't watch it.
Don't tell me something else I bought is now the content got deleted again. I'm gonna lose it.
The pants are gone.
What? I don't. Yo.
They're gone forever. This
Hold
is
on.
the best timing. Yo.
Why does it have to come off in the middle of a video?
I don't know.
I didn't do anything. What?
Please.
Okay, DJ, stop.
It's
Yo, these stages.
Technoblade.
Okay, DJ, leave the game for a second. DJ, leave the game. DJ, leave the game. DJ, leave the game for a second.
Technoblade never dies.
Ah! Dude, stop. Okay. I need to go check if it actually. I need to go check what happened.
Technoblade never dies. I'm telling you.
Here,
What?
Pants.
Me.
Yo, the pants I was wearing, the content got deleted.
I'm pretty sure I had those pants.
They got deleted.
Yes, I had that pants before.
Why?
Show, get a new one.
I did.
With your 10 Robux.
No. Those pants are free. Those pants are free.
Join to me.
I'm joining. I'm saving up for something else.
Donate me 10,000 Robux.
No.
I'm in level 1.
No, you're not. Oh, finally. I actually like these pants more than the other ones. Why does the content get deleted on everything now? So annoying.
I don't know. I think
Are these big butts? Are these big butts? Stage 154.
It's big Shrek butts.
Big what? Like, can you stop saying weird things?
Shrek. The green guy? Green guy. Shrek.
Oh, Shrek.
Yeah.
I know. I thought you were saying.
What?
I thought you were saying Tech. I was like, what? Tech?
What?
Tech the green guy.
Shrek.
Who's Tech the green guy?
Oh, Tech. Oh, Technoblade.
Oh my god, dudes. Stop with the Technoblade. Why are you so addicted to the Technoblade?
Technoblade never dies.
Oh my god. This
It's
is
sponsored by Technoblade.
this video.
Check it out. I'm kidding.
This
I'm
video's
kidding,
not.
everybody.
This video's not sponsored by Technoblade.
I'm kidding, okay? Subscribe to Technoblade. He is the best. Oh, subscribe to Gamer 2.0. Like the video if you want to see more content.
Oh, I hate this stage.
Adriano!
What?
Subscribe to Adriano right now!
Do what he's saying. Subscribe and leave a like. Subscribe and leave a like.
Like the video if you want to have more content with Adriano.
And me and DJ.
10 subs.
And DJ.
10 subs in the end of the year. Okay? I meant week, but yeah!
What?
Thank you for my yeah. So cool.
The first person to comment on this video, I will give them a shout out in my next video.
Usually me.
No.
Basically the only one who comments.
No, Quasm
The only one.
commented on my first video.
Me too. I was the first one for you.
Ah! I hate this stage.
I was your first supporter.
I know, you are in my videos now. Dude, did you even join the Yo, did you join the game yet?
No.
You're not even in my server, dude.
I'm not in your server.
Join!
I was in 190.
Yo, join back to this. Join back to this one. Man, that stage is so weird. I just fell. Wait, I just passed that stage. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I actually like these stages. I can't believe you were not even in my server this whole time. Oh my god. That's so funny. Yo, wait up. Yo, I see you. You're almost on the on the top stage. Just wait for me, please.
Yeah.
Is that my leg showing up? Is that my leg? Is that my skin? Is that my skin? Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. See you later.